How to use DeepSeek app. So here is DeepSeek AI, a super trending app, as you can see in top charts in the US App Store this day, about ChatGPT, about Google Gemini. Let's see all apps. So yeah, it's in the top charts in all apps right now in the US. Super impressive. So how to use it? Basically, this is based on a Chinese AI model, which is making rounds on Twitter, and also it's sent to shock all like US stock market, because seemingly this is like a super cheap model to develop. We don't know whether it's true or not, but anyhow, it's testing. It in the tests is actually quite good. It's kind of matching ChatGPT latest model o1, and this one is free. So you can use it for free, and it's open source. However, before installing the app, you need to take care, like if you really want to do it, because obviously this is a Chinese app and we don't know all the details, similar as TikTok. So you have like two risk points here. If you install the app, that's risky, and second, if you create an account in this app with your email, that's like another level of risk. If you, so you just decide if you want to do it. Yeah, I'm just showing this tutorial just for you to know it, how it works and what is it. Obviously, a lot of people just installed it and signed in with their email, with their Google account. And the moment you sign in with your Google account, there's a fear that this app can instantly like read all your Gmail, everything, and just So anyhow, here is the app. It's actually quite good. And let's just take a look. So design is very minimalistic. It's very kind of simple, similar to ChatGPT app design. I think basically they just kind of stolen like ChatGPT UI. It's very minimalistic, but yeah, it kind of works. Here, as you can just send it, and then you just see the reply. You can reload the reply, and then you can just like it, dislike it, you can copy it, that's it. You can then upload in the bottom right, you can upload photos, images, documents. Again, that's another risk, whether you really want to upload some of your data to this app, which basically stores your data in China. So anything can happen. But anyhow, and then, so this is by default, it's using DeepSeek V3 model, which is quite good. Yeah, and yeah, it's quite good. But if you wanna use their advanced model, you can just in the bottom left just tap DeepSync R1, and then you will just have some reasoning model, which you can use. So let's just take a look, check it out, how it might work. Uh, so let's write something like that. Then you will see it here, and then you can see it's quite fast. There are no glitches. It doesn't put you in the queue as ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT recently, if you use it in a free tier, it's quite slow. There are bugs, and even if you're using the latest model, then it's just after literally a few questions, it asks you to upgrade. Here you don't have all of that. So and then okay, let's just try DeepSync R1. So then it provides you some reasoning element. So then it's just, and then it just show you the syncing process. So here, that's how you see it kind of syncs, and that's a bit different, more advanced reply. Again, I don't need to upgrade for this. Yeah, it's completely free, so that's what it is. Another thing is that it also has search, built-in search, which is also really good. People say it's like super good. It's better than ChatGPT, and then you can just enter it in here. You can just asking something it, All right, so you can see it's not that good actually. So you can see that DeepSeek searcher is busy. Or try again later. So anyhow, like if it's not busy, it's actually quite good. It gives you the sources and everything. And that's basically it. Again, you can just upload your documents, images in this app, and yeah, you can always just go and start a new chat if you wanna just start a new chat. And then let's just take a look in the menu. In the top left, there is a menu, and you just have all your chats. I don't know, like you can just rename the chat or delete this chat. Delete it successfully. Then you have your account. As you can see, I signed up with Apple, and you can't disconnect it. So you signed in with Google, with Apple, you can't disconnect it. So that's it. There's app language, which you can just change. There is a color scheme. There is a contact us, but their support is really kind of, I guess, slow and kind of Chinese. Everything is Chinese. Yeah, and then yeah, you can check for updates, and then you can delete all chats if you wanna, and then you can just tap to delete account in the bottom. So deleting your account will forfeit any unused balance and block access to all DeepSeek services. So then you can just tap delete. So there you have it. That's the app. It's not many buttons. It's very minimalistic, very easy to use design. So a lot of people like it for that. And of course, it's free and powerful. But the risks, I told you about the risks. So you just decide if you want to use it or not. If you want to use it in a more safer way, you can use it via Perplexity. So just go download Perplexity app, and in Perplexity, you can just upgrade to Pro. And in the Pro, like on the web, you can actually you can select DeepSeek R1 model inside of Perplexity, and Perplexity using DeepSeek on their own servers, so your data is in US. So I guess you need to use web app for that, but I've seen that it's possible. And another option, if you wanna use DeepSeek in more safer ways, there is an app called Ollama. So you can just install it. Yeah, it's not an iOS app, but like Ollama app, and you can install it locally. You will probably need some like technical experience for do that, but you just install it locally, and there you have it. So something around that. Basically, that's it. But yeah, so far this is the app. Super impressive. There are of course some bugs and issues, and sometimes it's not available and all of that. But yeah, it's understandable because the app is in a top charts for already a few days, and so we can see some reviews. We can see most critical, can't log in, inaccurate, buggy. Yeah, you can see some. Of course, it also has elements of censorship, and then not working. And yeah, so that's what it is. So yeah, if you're just using it for some like neutral topics, it works okay. But like for some sensitive political topics, it's kind of doesn't work properly. So, but yeah, this is the app. If you wanna try it out, and that's about it.